I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do. Cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue, that's when I do. That's when I do.
Good morning, guys. It is about 7:45 and I just made a little pre-workout snack and I'm going to the gym, and then I will tell you what we are up to for the rest of the day.
It's about you, I hesitate every time. Every time. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do. Cause sometimes.
Okay, so I'm walking to the gym right now. I will stay there for probably like an hour today. Today is Saturday. And then I will be coming back here and getting ready and heading to the city to go into the office and do some work. And then I'll be meeting up with my friend and heading back on the train tonight. So I'm just taking a day trip and it should be a long train ride, but it should be fun.
I get my hopes up every time, and I don't wanna be let down each road to find. I just wish I'd seen the price tag for my heart breaking. Was it worth all that waiting, when I always knew just how I felt? Yeah, I'm looking back at the past and I feel regret. Don't wanna walk on the block, see where we met. Try to forget that you went on with someone else instead. Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to open up, and you don't have to lose my trust every time. When my always getting so attached, when I know that we're gonna crash. Now I wish I could turn you back into someone I never had. You were different from the rest, cause you didn't hide imperfections from the edge. Yeah, bet you don't even love me.
Okay, it is around 9:10 and I just finished my workout and it was actually so good. Like, usually I have absolutely no energy in the gym in the mornings, but I forgot how much I like just like getting up early-ish and getting a workout in. And there was a lot less people than usual, but like I just feel like I can't hit any PRs in the morning. So I guess I'll save the PRs for the afternoon or evening. But yeah, I'm heading home to shower and make breakfast and then take the train.
Yeah, I'm looking back at the past and I feel regret. Don't wanna walk on the.
Since I'll be on the train around lunchtime, I'm just gonna put some rice in here.
Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to open up, and you don't have to lose my trust every time. When my always getting so attached, when I know that we're gonna crash. Now I wish I could tell you back.
Okay, this is just my usual oatmeal. I'm running super late, so I need to shower really fast and then get ready.
Pretend I don't need you, I can't pretend I don't love you, I can't pretend I don't miss your touch. I want you so much. I can't go cry on your shoulder. Feel safe with you when I'm older. Just know I tried to come back for you. I came back for you.
Okay, I just got ready in such a rush, and I'm waiting for my Uber to the train station. We should be fine. I think I'll be on time, so we're good.
Where did those nights go way back then? We always were so innocent. I don't remember changing. Another wave is breaking. I know it's been a while since, been a while since I held you close. Don't you remember the last time that we were here? Hold on to what we once knew was good. You're on a different wavelength than me. I've run all over for you, for you.
Okay, I'm now at work. My phone died, but I'm going to be doing a photo shoot for my textile company and an interview.
It would last. The tide is finally.
Okay, it's like 8 something, I think. And we just finished. And now I'm heading to meet my friend who I've never met in person. And I'm excited, and we're gonna get food. That's the plan in this place for a final time.
Breaking so fast. I don't remember changing. Another lie I'm faking. I know.
All I have to say is three things. One, I don't think New York's ever gonna wear off on me. 2, please follow my Instagram. And 3, if you have a Tinder and you're in New York, don't swipe left on me because it kind of hurts my feelings not getting any matches.
Okay, what's your name and what's your Instagram?
My name's Elvin Atwine. My Instagram is ELVNIV.
Great. Thanks for introducing yourself.
You get sick of me. Oh, hi! I'm Elton. Pleasure to meet you. So, I am a startup founder, originally from Uganda. And essentially what we're working on is the decentralized internet that works with the Bitcoin. We mine, we grind, we stay clear, we stay concise, and we create on.
It's literally 2 a.m. and I'm in Poughkeepsie at the train station and feeling slightly unsafe. It's fine, I ordered an Uber, so hopefully it'll be here soon. Very unsafe. Okay, it's like 2:30. I just had some cornflakes and I'm so tired and I'm gonna go to bed, so I might end this tomorrow. Hey guys, it is now the next Tuesday, I think, and I'm just ending off the video here because I forgot to before. But thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this day in my life. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below if you enjoyed it. I will see you in my next video.